afternoon, viewers. This is the Bee Hive Show getting you guys covered. Lero, it is 11th of July. It is really the evening karaoke. It's only 2 minutes past the top of the hour of 5, and we say welcome to the Bee Hive. Yeah. Chikute wagulu na wansi Raji omukulu Raji ali mu kizimbe nange
Foka MC yaso elagwa atandika so oluzungu ina munzo linge yaso.
This is your boy MC Miles official mbagamba in our wardrobe tulinamu ebintu ebinyuma n'ebintu ebigenda okubanyizaamu naye bobolaba nti ebimu bikunyiziza bambi naffe tuli bantu tusobya, but on the other run don't blink on us. Gano mawulire si bigambo byaffe mbu mukulu Raji awasiza
nza kukubebi niyo nza kukubebi nza kalo za mawulire munonzi usaga onteke mu bigambo mbusima awasiza na wasasa usinika bini
Raj wawulide bya Donny CRIS. It is a very sad story for the people of Sky Pins.
It is not sad. It has never been sad. It has never, because no one was forced to go there. He went there willingly. You understand? I'm not trying to be on his side, but on the other way around. I'm an activist.
Sky Pins and Travels. Bambi. Fe.
Gwenani.
Wawo mukazi atunda wemmere kyebando sa hoteli ebagiyita Femwe Mwefwe. So nange ngamba fe ba Miles, yeah. Ngamba nti bambi tubasaasidemu aba Sky Pins because for this month, the whole of this month, the company is going to be shut down, and omukulu Donny CRIS as the CEO yagambye nti ayagala kufa afe naye for this 1 month this company is going to be shut down. So
aitagenda kubadiza kaseti ya denesu.
Yeah, yo yachogede.
Kale ya betondede be yaluma mu bulunzi.
Yeah, yo yachogede.
Mu bulunzi yetonze mu musoni we. Nenga kaseti yakola si yakalia. Ela yakomyewo. Ela sile zo twamalirizo kuva Entebbe. Yatu se mugwanga yakomye yabada veyo ku business trip evudeza ezamani.
Germany.
Nakoba bulunzi.
But again,
na yete mwina se mugenda mukola.
Yeah, na
yewali.
Before him landing mugwanga yabadde already he put a message on his Twitter X nagamba nti waliwo message eri awo producer jitufunira yagamba nti all the people abantu basobezeza he's very sorry for what has happened.
Nenga kasene tekagenda kukomawo.
Yachogede nagamba nti you come to him in a humble way, it will be humble way. If you come requesting for money humbly, he will give back the money.
According to the life he made.
Tukira kati mu live Raj, olaba mu live eyo. We yamala okola live. Yakoma wate. It was after, was it yesterday's night?
Obadosi man chino musazo yazanya film.
Yeah, ezozo obukodyo ojukira bya Spice ne Shiba. Kakodya akali awo. Abantu ne beekuba ne bakola ki but at the end bali bebonga.
Cindy ne Shiba.
So this is the same, but on Chris Donny's side it is not saga, it is real. Wakwa omuntu omukulu nga Donny CRIS omugaga gwe tuyina omugaga omuto nagaga. Yes.
Na wila kombo Donny CRIS aliko kubanonya.
Sebo.
Yaliko kubanonya.
Yagambye ulira kye yayogede yagambye nti ojja you come on his page talking about abanonya.
Ne banonya yaliko twamulaba yaliko kubukede
hivi ebintu ebyo byali byadda
nina yaliko tisiza usindi omubbi asigala mubbi yaliko nganonya mukazi inonya mukazi yatunda busimu.
Donny CRIS himself said it ebintu ebyo on one of the media houses in Uganda we bamukubidde simu maite yayogede yagambye mbu ebiseera ebyo yali anonya content osegera. And that time was also just beginning. Ayagala omuliro. So me on Donny CRIS's side, me coming from Tororo Malaba nange, Donny wafe we yakulira.
Yesu ngaso likusaidiye.
Siri kusaidiye naye nze njogera bye yayogera. Kati atembere kusaidi.
Nange nzogera bye yayogera yagamba tagenda kubawa sente. Era nabagende bwelu lwasimuleke tugenda mukulonda mugenda bwelu ononya yose. Munonya yose nga tugenda kulonda. Mukulembeze kwa ngagenda kugenda kumulonda.
Kati Raji sokoleke. Muzee anonya akalulu walabyo no mulezi owa bigoma. Owe bigoma na Mama waffe full figure weebale kugendayo naye bannange kye baamukoze.
Ne full figure weeteeka awalaba. Kati wabadde onoonya si ku Muyaaye. Omuyaaye ndi mukwogera oyagala kumusikayo. Otegera
wawulidde kye yayogedde. Yagambye bannange muzeeyi waliwo we yatuuse n'agamba Holland.
Ate muzeeyi bambi muzeeyi ategeera.
Muzeeyi n'agamba Holland omanyi obusungu muzeeyi busungu.
Munzi.
Kati nze ne neebuuza ogenda ku State House n'oyogera busungu.
Kati
bakukola
obadde osimanyi nti nno ye musaza yani Sekayonozo yapadde leo naye ng'awulira sirabika awulira omuliro ng'awulira
even he said it ye mwenyini we bagezeza omunoonya okwogera naye yagambye nti it is not the right time ffe kwogera ku bino. So I don't know either he is also just covering up something or
bapaka sente abaana okuva edda nga tonyweza Museveni kale na
producer ako ka video kalina waliwo
batubanga sente munzi bataka sente munzi nataka sente mutono nematwa 10,000 nzukila nenga bamwade sente munzi kwa abavunyuka
bali bagamba nti edda mu kulonda bali bagamba nti abavubuka mu bawenga 15.
Yes bavunyuka nene mutwa nusu 10,000
bavubuka
bavunyuka ye mulembe guno tuli babufu tugenda kubalopa
kubya si bavunyuka
bavunyuka muvunyuka
aigamba nti bavubuka ba season eno
bavunyuka zina muvunyuka na mwagade eri mudunzi niyo ali solid
yo mulezi ali solid
elase kayunusu okuvana le tugenda kuda mukuba sente abali bagenda kukulaba
omulenzi yagambye manchi yagambye muzeeyi sente z'abagoma n'ebivugoma bibyo bikyali awo baba obukaddo
baba wadeka sente kalisangana ngina badeko
omulenzi yazibaze nga ziri wala natayagala ate era emukwemu eyo video we emukwemu
olaba omwana omulenzi oyo bamuwe obwagundi obani kansala yabavunyuka musitungo mwalimu youth councillor bazimwe kubali solid
yagambye Holland
yes
omuzeeyi n'agamba no leave him to talk
kati fulani
mama full figure
yes that one yazunga gala kumimiriza kwogela
nedda abadde tagamuyimiriza abadde agala mulaga nti nedda yogerako ne president ng'oli mukakkamu abadde agala mukakkanya naye ng'omulenzi naye takola ki
akakana atya watu bayogela kata akakana atya
naye abadde asobola
emuntu ananagira nga nze ogenda kungamba tonanagira yogera bulunzi ate ng'osimanyi naturally that's how I am.
Producer tuwe your video but on the other side again, Raj, if you look at something that is so influencing right now in the music industry of Uganda, nabadeka omwana nawandika ku page of one of the artists nagamba imbo right now in the music industry of Uganda, who are the artists you can rank, the female artists you can rank abagamba they have everything, they got everything on earth. I need dobozi, I know mubiri, I know stage performance, I know omwana nagamba ku page yomu one of the artists in Uganda, you have to go back and add energy. Yeah? Nange. Chali wange naye mama.
Mwogele.
Omwana yagenze nagamba Jowiranda yogera kamba. Jowiranda de bamubuuza.
Jowiranda asayina olugendo luwanvu.
Yeah, but
asayina olugendo luwanvu. Tanaba ko ya the quarter.
I just like her.
Yeah, she's okay. She's solid. Mkagala nyo. Kakazi mulunzi.
Kati Raji njagala ompe at least 5 artists, female artists in Uganda whom you know it at least buli kimu they got it. Everything. Gwe nogamba ntono muntu ono we muwa stage, we mugamba kukuja mu showbi, we mugamba okugenda for karaoke, we mugamba asobola.
First and foremost.
Cindy the baby, the
yes.
queen mama.
Yeah, so ku list.
Yeah. Why are you giving Cindy to be the
she's
first?
Talented. Soka. Esoku bili. Mukazi amanyi sesebaita stage.
Yeah, she knows stage performance.
She knows live music.
Yeah.
She knows music and she's lyrically mature.
In the music
Leave
industry.
alone music alone. She's a mother.
Yeah.
She's a parent.
Yeah.
So she has everything. Besides music, olabanga nebwelo akola bulunzi.
Yeah, that is true.
So kati nzegena mu esisoka.
Chisoka, yeah.
Babuli simwasilina. Ainedo bozi.
Yes, indeed.
Aino mobili. Anyinira mukazi mulunzi. Mukulu ne enkulita kola si. Tenywa. Onyegede.
Yeah, that is true.
Oh yeah, soka.
Number two.
Kubiri. Shiba. Shiba inabulisimu.
Shiba kalungi.
Yes.
Why are you giving Cindy Shiba? Why are you not bringing in someone in between there?
Because Cindy ina Shiba satalina.
Okay.
Cindy I know vuna is by no musaza.
But Shiba is having also a man currently.
Yabawa munni. Musaza yabandi ziyazala muma. Ate kenyini
waliwo bawandika koyo musajja inki musajja wa umuntu.
Mali zokela kumasa no wasama kazi yo. Ulila no wasama kazi yo. Nenza ni muzala mu mwana.
Ibamba so mukazi wange.
Yes.
Oja no muzala mu. That is what we say intersexual way of relation.
So
what tolaba mu paper waliwo section A na section B.
Shiba taina musaza wa mpeta.
Yeah, but this very man can marry her.
Her marital status is not okay.
Yeah, that is true.
Nasoma kugamba simanyi oli bawe yeke nyini yaseyogela nagambe no mwana na muzala musaza mufumbo. I can't be craving for husband ngono wali but toto mukutebo lunzi ngena kola si
kumutwala. Yeah, that is.
So kati eso Cindy asinzani.
Yeah, Shiba. Yeah.
Shiba aine nyimba mununzi, edobozi mununzi. Busmasina.
Who comes on your number 3?
On my number 3, I can give you Winwaji.
Winning Waji.
Yes.
Hey,
the fire baby.
Fire baby.
Yes.
Oyo yeba nagi.
She has everything.
Oyo muka.
Na taina musaza.
Na ya ino mwana.
Yeah, ino mwana.
Yeah. Ate yagamba omwana we ye buli kimu.
Masingo mazo bamanyi.
Yagamba my daughter is my everything.
My child is my everything. So ko mwana yamuzala musaza. Tonyumize mbaya basaza ye customer no kuzala
mwana omusajja abaze nida Raj. If this man comes in life and he's not, however, sometimes true nenya abakazi bano for nothing. You get? Omusajja wajja na kuzala mu omwana. No laba, a man doesn't have any responsibilities taken. You let the man go.
Okay.
So you can't blame these women sometimes.
I haven't blamed anyone. Okay. On my 4th,
Batan.
Owokunia. Gwensobola okugamba owokunia. Yeah.
What about Lydia
Jasmine?
Yeah, I knew. I knew you're going for Lydia Jasmine.
Jasmine. Yes.
But you're not bringing your somebody here.
Calm down. Lydia Jasmine, she has the voice, she has the beauty,
yeah, that
she
is
has
true.
the body.
Yeah.
Musasa sisi manyi ne wakubalisa batisa. Asanga yakola si?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is very true.
So kati, Lydia Jasmine. Then owokutano ne waza girlfriend wangu omubwati. Ani? Elina Mazi.
That is Spicy Diana in the number 5. Nategedde oyo tosoa mubuuka.
Wakutano.
Oyo wadde nakuvuma gwe Raji nkumanyi.
Spicy mami nsonyowa ne oli munambes.
I know why you put her in number 5. You just know you can twist from number 5 to number 1. Number 1 no musu. Gwe nkumanyi oli mugezi mbizigwe. Oli musida. Astaga flabi che. Tobiria bagirete.
Ate singa asili munene nga gundi ani Kasuku. Badi mulodi.
Badage Kasuku awa Jaja Kasuku yagamba Kasuku.
So kati mbabade ebayimbi batano.
Yeah, bayimbi batano. Those are 5 people on his list.
So I can even add on some
or no.
Balekelao.
But on my side I would say abali mu comment section mukolewe ekintu awo because this lineup rajjatwa de see salawo zenina lineup nga ya amaanyi waliwo abaana boweerabidde ba Omega 256 bani
those are additions
Ava Peace currently she has
ne musawe somopila tubane ba substitute.
That is true.
Musawe somopila wala bagamba kati bano mutimu babasingo kumania ne kati wala bano basimanyi ona asamba namba wingi bwati.
Let's come back with Ava Peace story. Let's go for a short commercial break. We shall get back.
Wamfula mbozi yonna kunyinge okuba wumira nze nguba samunda namanya ne mugantuma mangu CRIS yadibanada ndetse cyasi muteyo bubako mwana we masaka bona yabasinga simuwana rakubanti nange jemba nayone yakuziwa yatekwa kamubonye emisege n'emiya yujona ejiri enkoko kira amagunju kutale bajigaya mane bajikomba bia bajijamwe embuto jakafa corona omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze we buddo yokuchirumafe omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze osaba mbuya faera abatufu bebo omwana we buddo n'omubanji gwenonze okumukwata kono bongo muntabuka senadaluka nebyenda bintokota namutuma mukumi wakeyo yankuma namutuma muyunja ebyange yayunja namutuma muyunga amasaji yamumpa olawanano wofuna webuti mikisa mu nyumba kikyotala temulaba bwenfuuse ampakanyagoka gasa kyegamba buuza sona beni akwata ku lyebuddu omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze tutto webuddo oyo kwekirumafe omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze musome muyafaayo era abatuufu bebo omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze mulaba omwana ono namujja masaka nina omwana omwana mulaba omwana namujja masaka nina omwana ono omwana mulaba omwana nagenze masaka gye najja omwana mwanfuula mboozi yonna ku nyinge okubawuumira nze ngubassa munda abakwati w'ennugu muntu temumala mutwala eri busimayiro obuli abantu ndesa kyasi muteyo obubakobako mwana we masaka bonna yabasinga simuwana lwakuba nti nange gyenva naye ono yakuzibwa yatekwatekwa kamuwonya emisege n'emiyayu gyonna egiri enkoko kira amagunju kutale bagigaya mane bagikomba bia bagijjamu engoye jakafa corona omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze tutto webuddo oyo kwekirumafe omwana webuddo n'omubanji gwenonze
short commercial break. This is the Bee Hive getting you guys covered. Enyindo chije nkuvumye. Naye nawo manyama zimosika nnyo. Gwe just toshika. Tugende mu maaso. Tuli wano naye ne AC zimpulira sikyasika. Osika weka muntu ogwa. Muntu omo. But on the other side bagamba nti we were still on something that Raj didn't clarify very well. Na tugamba nti even in football waliwo substitute, But ABAPIS can't be a substitute in Uganda currently. The music she has been releasing, you cannot bring ABAPIS as a substitute.
She still has a long journey to go.
Vinka, you left Vinka out.
That's why I told you. Should I add on something? You didn't ask for
no,
top 10. You asked for top 5.
Top 5, but
and I gave you.
But on your top 5, you cannot leave Vinka out.
Did you hear out what you asked?
I told you
female
5.
Artists.
Yes, but I didn't expect you to bring some 2 people there and
like
leave.
Who? Like who? Exclude. Exclude. I want you to exclude 2.
Okay, me paying respect, Mama Cinderella. I would not give Cindy a top 5.
Why?
I know why.
Why? Okay, if you talk about...
I know why I said that. Mama, I'm not saying that anything. You're always our number 1, yeah?
No.
Ulira, Soko Ulire. She's always our number 1 because she got everything, you get, right? But on the top 5 we wanted everything.
Is she a musician or not?
Everything.
Is she a musician or not?
Right. Tigabo everything. Bali already baliba.
What?
Cindy is already home material.
Okay.
Cindy is already home material.
No. Between Cindy and Vinka.
Abo bonna mbadde sibateekayo. Kati leka nkwe top 5 gye mbadde njagala ya sharp.
So compare top 5 ya basaza batano. Sharp.
Asooka Fik Famaika.
Owakubili?
King Saha.
Owakusatu?
Oba kapeke nkuwe. Naye nedda. Okay. Epas, I give him Epas. Joshua Baraka. Dikenso Mufumbo.
Kamilio nalua.
And then
Olaba. Kamili.
Ulira.
Musicians.
Ombuzi zachi.
Wela
okay, nedda damwe chibuzo cyo.
Top 5.
Top 5 Ugandan male artists.
Yes.
Top 5.
Abasinga
abo ba musically. Jaja Chameleon number 1.
See number 1.
Number 1 imuwa. Manyirwachi?
Nzagala to clarifying number 1 sagala zaza waffe Kamili omuteke mu list. Mbomboza lwasi. Kale sisinganga gundi ani aragaddi.
Kale tujeyo bali eja banene.
Kati oyo muzeewo. Don't compare them with these kacheres.
Okay. Kati mbuze kibuze ekituufu. Top 5 kacheres nku. Okay, top 5 kacheres izikuwa. 1 Vairota
kachere 2 Bakuulira hatu
acidic vocals
kachere 3
Kapeke
kachere olira Kapeke oli kachere
ogambe top 5 abana
ogambe kachere
lwakwatu jeyo bali eri. I know why I spoke about Kapeke. Kapa ulira kapa for me dancing we ulira just kapa.
Miles, do you know music?
No, I don't know music.
That's why you're giving this kind of list.
But musically,
you're just looking at these trending artists.
Yes. That's what I'm aiming at.
That's why you are going to put Joshua Baraka.
I can't.
Because they're trending artists.
But if you talk about musical,
you don't know what you don't know what music is.
Who's a producer?
I'm a producer. I'm a songwriter. I'm an artist.
Raji tosobola kumpandi maybe enyimba z'okuziika ngenda gwe Raji ompandikira oluyimba sisigenda nze neneeyiza ne Katumba wange ne tuyiyawo chorus
esibe mutulawe ne mutuzooga
tewali tuleke naawe kati nawe Katumba okkirize nti Raji abeere writer
esangana kuwasa kuli kusula bukunya batelama yegwe yazimba
dam
esangana kuwasa kuli kusula bukunya batelama ne kuwasa atela sule bukunya we yazimba
kati bukunya obadde otegeka
bukunya naked gwe yazimba
Raji obadde olina okubeera ng'owandiikira obaani
ndilandilodde w'omutima gwe yadde nga wesuza ye gwe yazimba osinika bino gwe olinasi toyina somanyi mu music olwana osinika bino bakubulire kutunda manda wano kugundi wano kuki eluwero
omanyi Raji sometimes I look at you and I'm like God have mercy.
Between me and you, who needs mercy?
Gwe.
Nonsense. Tukole.
But on the other side, yeah, top artists, female artists of the year. Yeah.
I want you to give me your list. Sharp. The first one, who? No, sharp. No, sharp. Just
top
5.
But top, Uganda.
Top.
Female. Tandika Nevinka.
Yasoka.
I know why I didn't say my number one. I said the top. You say the top.
Okay, top. Don't explain anything. Just mention.
Let me. How many?
5.
Mana batanu batono na.
I want 5.
I
want 5.
5. I will go with Cindy Biebe. Then my number 2, I will go with Lydia Jasmine. Number 3, I give Ava Peace. Then number 4, sija kukwera bila baby wa form ton to kuwa everything possible. Joey Land. Omwana yamwogedde ko izi nempulira ekisa. Then number 5, I'll go with I'll give Spicy Dana the last year. I know why. Because this year has not been so that okay.
Where is Fire Baby?
No, I know why I've not given Fire Baby.
Okay.
I know why I've not given Fire
Baby. Okay. Can't stay again. You need to first analyze what music is.
Yeah.
First understand what music is.
Next time when I will come.
First try to make research.
Next time when komawo.
Olinga setambo gwa bugu.
Yakyogerako.
Betolanga.
Wawulidde ekyabadde eyo side zeeyo ntungamu ku Fire Baby. Banange Fire Baby yakubye omwana oluyikuzitte.
Oyo tazani atasimika.
Yamuwadde weeba pya. Namukuba eno ta. Engamba banange ono.
Ebese ebyali byawulibili.
Ajuzi wano.
Mukazi nako.
Omanya ate kati omwana n'agenda ku TikTok n'awandika n'agamba he slapped one for not singing and he gave the other one a kick for not dancing. Kati negamba naye gw'omanyira gye omuntu okukuba oluyirwa kuba toyimba akayimba
lwasoba toyimba ntadde mudde bwange bungi nengenda mu studio neyimba ndi mu kuyimba
yamuwadde oluyikiro 5 plus n'akomawo mabega n'akima space we batomanya alina guno omubiri azina akola we bati za engamba hamduli
oyo akubateke tamanya abapi akubateke
oyo ye muzibu naye ate walabye ekiri mu so that is what happened in Ntungamo. Fire baby yeah, I know what you put on your Twitter X. Yagambye nti she's not a person people have to all time think she's too cheap to that extent of being nti abantu bamukwatirira you get,
and she's right.
Yeah, but again oyo mulenzi wa Ntungamo oyo mulenzi akikoze for so long akikoze ku Catherine Kusasira yajayo olugoye awo namusiimula ebigere mu kusooka
oba yali alwa kuba walo yakuba vinke ngalo alwa yali vinka yali ani
I think is the very guy of Ntungamo yagenda mu Catherine Kusasira namusiimula ebigere we but Catherine namukiriza n'ajja ku stage agenda okulaba omwana alese okusimula ekigere wano n'olugoye agenda ayambuka waggulu omwana ayambuka waggulu nengamba ono omwana banangeeza nsuseeko. And then after that, he again did that very thing to Fire Baby at the first run. Kati luno yamusanze in the same shot. Bino radio eby'Entungamo ebyo bitereka ebivulu. Yamulinye taxadi maxado.
Bazira taxi ni maxado. Taxi ni maxado.
Taxi wabisomerera. Naye radio might singa wali mu Nigeria oba mu China
singa nyindira. Sogele.
Ankuleke.
Sogele. Amazima gakilize amayodo.
Asha wa babandana. Wamulabye? Ne Victor Rose.
Nange.
Bali eyo Machirax oba bali kusoga.
Asha wa bandana naye alinga Sozeni Beki.
Yasaze kubona akola we.
Alinga Sozeni Beki. Bazungira mu basaza.
Ono tamuzungirako.
Bwe bandana Asha wa bandana azungira mu basaza eno ali no.
Just akola content.
Anti keze kugamba azungira mu basaza. Alinga sistange Sozeni Beki.
Nyindo mpologoma.
Yabali ne Aronix. Luli ali nani? Sozeni Beki.
Ono Chosen Blood.
Azunga alinga mukanzu.
Is it on the 1st of August? Chosen Blood in Serena Hotel.
Agenda kubayo.
Yeah, on the 1st of August, I think, yeah. On the 1st of August.
Inawidembo gondani?
Ne Pastor Wilson Mugembe on the 20th.
Ngabiri. Banange mubeyo.
Banange mubawagire ticket wezi.
Pastor wafu wakasata akayelo.
Yes.
Agenda bayo neso. Agenda bera mpozi.
Agenda kube, is it Serena still? Yeah, on the 20th.
Nenga emuganda yange. Dax Vibe. Bambi bamu Africana. Na ye. Aba uma.
Neda, Dax Vibe, he didn't tebamugana.
Bintu bino politics munzi.
Na yeye mwenyini yagamba nti twali twagala Hotel Africana naye ki watono.
Ulila.
Naline angle management.
Kati ulila. Na ile temperature touch. Before going to chicken show. Tebera nakubila Dax Vibe esimu. Oshitegera. Namubuuza Africana stole si. Nti Africana batumye S4 nenga twasasula da bagenda kutuiza kasi ekasente.
Yes.
Oshitegera. Awo ne mwana mulimusi.
Mulimu politics mundomo mungi
nyo.
nyo.
Kati kungamba kafo yali mutono. Africana mumanyi gwe.
Africana wanene but
tosobola kungamba musimanyi S4 yasigana. Basi mwamumi because ebintu ebyo. Oshitegera. Baba sasula ne kasente. Nesilebeka kasente bakokola si. Temperature touch yamukubile simu nga wendi ndaba because even yamusaba nchi gundi wa collaboration nga wendi ndaba bamugamba bagenda kati yategese aligenda kubera ku uma
showground ojatufunire poster ya Dax Vibes ngali ku uma
date sinazi confirm
it is on 29th August all white concert oba
all white concert mwena mugende wa socially wa foyo
29th
Dax Vibe
ordinary 20k VIP elimswale 5
right now
tebo bukade busatu
kale tompade kasende kukubila kalango ne one love
angry management ya mutegese no
simulinako buzi
naye angry wali naffe ne tukola amamotoka naye okumala ne munzulukako tufa abateeka sticker mabega twali awo ekyebanda awo wansi awo kukyerisa
olaba nisubana bakazi bakudukako nnyo golinga toilet paper bakumala okukozanga bakusula mutoyi
nedda ate tufa abanene abaaliyo fa abanene abaali ate omunene waaja angula olaba angula yandaba n'agamba kukugwire kasooli webale wangulira kasooli namulya anakuta naye angule I pray for you for the best wakwa yagambye nti ye angule kye yangambye ng'amatu gange gawulira yagambye nti Hotel Africana didn't give them to what they expected. Jukira kati ngogena kutegeka there are some rules that bind the two of you. So tezaitangana bulungi kirabika
nagabe Africana yabamma
yabamma and then ojatufunira Pastor Wilson Bugembe on the 8th on the 8th August. Pastor Wilson Bugembe.
Miaka 20 years of
20
Pastor
years
Bugembe.
On the 8th. Sorry, it is on the 8th.
Ulaba wontu mpa information on some. Speaker tuye muni
munzi. Mbade ni nachiri eri 20 years. It is on the 8th. On the 8th of August. Yeah. On the 8th.
August nkabivulo munzi.
And then again on the 8th, waliwo mwana we Busia. Bamuita DJ Leon ali on the 23rd.
Kwa mamanyi.
23rd ali mu embassy, is it embassy launch? Busia.
Busia ku border.
Then again
wano sasali wange DJ Caleb Zimumanyi bulungi.
Caleb Zimumanyi.
Oyo twakula naye homeboy.
Naye akuba engoma.
Oyo sala sakata.
Then again on is it on the one bano ba 19th to 20th aba champanya wildness bali awo mujinja abana betoro the class of 26 bategesewo ekintu kyabwawe jinja pele entry it is only 60 and 75 and then DJ Leon okuyingira ordinary 10k VIP 20 Pastor Wilson Bugembe 120 then 3 million table of 8 abo bantu bange bonna bantu bange bonna. Let's go for a short commercial break. We shall get back.
No tampa ya desu 10 ni bakusasula
percentage